Mr. Chairman, first thank you for the invitation to a small symposium. Some weeks ago, only some weeks ago, we discussed about a small symposium, 1, 2 or 3 hours, not more, some people, to discuss about Mura River. But now we are grateful to see a lot of prominent people here. Some of us, we know us from the Mura River walking from the Ramsar days, made by Stanka Tesnik and Visa and so on. And now, you know, I am a fighter for nature protection. And so my question is the future of the river Mura, beginning from Spielfeld in Austria to the Drava River, the ending of the Mura. It's a nice region. 4 countries are here. And now my discussion point is to do something together for that region. I know every country has its own opinions about it, and especially Slovenia, the only one state with a national park in its flag, should be a good example, I think. So let's discuss short about international ecosystem protection for the river Mura. So next, here? Okay, that's good. You know, it's a long distance, more than 100 kilometers, going over 4 nations. You know, it's a river without power plant stations. It's not normal in Central Europe and in Europe as all. And so we have a great work to do to make something, make it proudful, maybe all over the world. 4 nations, a lot of species here existing, more than 50 fishes, a lot of butterflies, plants and so on, and therefore there is a special interest in the region because we are also part of the green belt of Europe, and it's the greatest nature protection project on earth today. It's going from the northern seas to maybe nearby Istanbul, more than 8,000 kilometers long. Okay, lost a little bit of time. Now, it's not only a green belt part, it's only part for part Natura 2000 site. And Simon Balacic and I, we tried to go to Brussels to discuss about Natura 2000 site all over the Mura River. We shall see in future. We tried to implement it. And in Austria, the Mura River, you know, it's going through to Styria. We had the year 2001. It was the Mura River. The Mura was a river of the year. And we are very proud of that dominating river in our country. We have a lot of very precious species there, especially hucho, but there are hundreds of other species very famous for the region, and therefore it's a Natura 2000 site. We have a lot of people interested in Mura rafting, you know, also 4 countries are dealing with it. We have Mura hiking, a lot of people are going on the Ramsar days and every days, and we have other events on that sites. Now, what to do in future? All over the 4 countries, only some suggestions. You have to do it. Natura 2000 area site, it is partly. Ramsar site would be the first step we should have because it's easily to do. You need a partner, United Nations, but it's easily to do. It's only a predicate. The other things, more difficult, nature parks, regional parks, biosphere reserves, maybe. Nature conservation area, we have some of them. International park would be the best protection, but very difficult because you have to implement a lot of things, of legislation things, and it would last 20 or 30 years to have it. And it's a part of the European Green Belt, that's clear now. Now, some short declarations. Regional park, you know, you plan it so far as I know here in the region. Also, it's on your local government to do it. It's not an international predicate, it's on you. In Styria we have 7 nature parks, and a lot of regions more want to become it. But we say, no, 7 are enough. In Austria, and it's interesting for ecotourism and tourism also. Biosphere reserve, it's only a predicate also, but you need UNESCO and you need the MAB project, and it's part of a network all over the world. You see 531 biosphere reserves in 105 countries. There should be special species we have, special habitats we have, and a famous region for nature protection we have also. It's possible, I think. But short to say it, Ramsar Convention site is a decision of the region maybe. We have some mayors thinking in Austria, what should we do with the Lafnitz River? They decide to make a Ramsar site. And now it's in the list of the world famous Ramsar sites, and why not here also? So I'm ending with a suggestion. The 4 countries should think about different possibilities. You should have different nature protection areas. You should have nature park, regional parks, maybe here or somewhere a national park, but try to think about Ramsar site. It's a possibility to become world famous, to have eco-tourism in the region, to... one is missing. Okay, I stop with it. You have the chance to be in a list worldwide, and it's a chance for 4 countries to work together without any great symposia or something else today. Is a decision of the region, is a decision of the United Nations to take it in their list, but I think it's possible and we should try it in future. Thank you.